Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Martin. In this class, we're going to discuss the measures of central tendency. We're going to continue with the calculation of mean for a simple frequency distribution. Simple frequency distribution. So when you talk about simple frequency distribution, we are talking about where you're given data that has frequencies. For example, you will have the x values and then you're going to have the frequency. So for example, you have the first x value, which is 10, and it has a frequency of 2, or it appears 2 times in the data that you've been provided. Then you have the second x value, which is 20, and it appears 3 times. Then we have our third x value, which is 15, which is appearing 2 times. Then we have our fourth x value, which is 30, appearing 1 time. So how will you be able now to compute the mean for this simple frequency distribution? So you're going to first start by stating your formula, which is arithmetic mean. You'll be given by summation. I want to leave some space here for the purposes that you're going to understand in later. So mean or arithmetic mean will be given by summation of fx all over summation of f, right? So what is summation of fx? So you'll be expected now to compute the x and f, and that will be done by multiplying, right? So this will be, you're going to add an extra column here or row of fx. So this you have now, so that you can be able now to compute this fx. So you have now 10 by 2, which gives you 20, 20 by 3, which gives you 60, 15 by 2, which gives you 30, and 30 by 1, which also gives you 30. So now the summation of fx, you'll be expected now to get the totals of the values that are in the fx row. So this will be given by 20 plus 60 plus 30 plus 30. Then you divide by the summation of f. You'll be expected to add the f values. We have 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. And this will give you now 80 plus 30, which is 110 plus 30, 140. Then you divide by summation of f, which is 2 plus 3, 5, plus 2, which is 7, plus 1, which gives you 8. So this is 140 divided by 8. So our mean, the answer for our mean will be 140 divided by 8, which is going to give you 1 there. Here remains this 8, 6. So this will go 7 times because of 56. So this will be 17.5. So our mean in this case will be 17.5. And that is basically how you calculate mean for a simple frequency distribution. In the next class, we're going to discuss mean for a grouped frequency distribution.